Okay, so I woke up today and decided my hair deserves a whole moment, not just a regular moment, an ecstatic moment. So here we are, styling my wolf cut like my life depends on it. But in reality, I just look like a soggy cat. Let's fix this. First things first, we untangle the chaos. Because if my hair could talk, it would probably scream at me for sleeping like a tornado. And now the mighty hairdryer enters the chat. Time to turn this damp mess into voluminous perfection. Now, time to take out the weapon, as known as my straightener. Partition your hair from the lower lobe area of your ear. Now tie them with a scrunchie and secure the extra hair with a clip or pin, whatever you have. I like this clip because it's a chick, and whenever I saw a chick, it always reminds me of Jimin. Now partition your hair into two sections. Take 1 finger length and partition again into two sections more. Now grab the straightener into outward direction and straighten your roots 3 times like this. Now turn the straightener in the outward direction like this and go throughout the hair, and it will give a very soft and beautiful look to your hair like this. Repeat the process with this part of hair also. Now do the same process on the other side. I have styled my lower partition, and now it's time to open the dyed hair. Partition your hair from the starting point of the ear and secure the remaining hairs with a scrunchie or a clip, whatever you have. Repeat the same process as we have done before, but don't forget to straighten the roots 3 times because it will give you a neat and soft look. I have styled my second partition also, and now it's time to partition your hair from the eyebrow area. Secure the remaining hairs and do the same process as we have been doing before. Now grab a scrunchie and tie the hairs that you have styled on the back, and open the hair that are tied up on the top of the head. You will need a tail comb to partition your hair from the mid. Tie one side of the hair and start the same process that we have been doing before on the upper section also. Don't curl too much or it will not give you a soft look. Leave the front hairs because we have to style them differently. Secure it with a clip or pin, whatever you have. Open the next section and style like before. Now open the partition that we have secured, grab both sections and turn your hair inwards towards the face direction. It will give you a soft curtain bangs look when you will style them backwards. Comb your fingers a few times in your hair after styling, and you will see a soft wolf cut styling result at the end. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.